Hello everyone friends, on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you what to do and how to fix WhatsApp not opening. So first off, try going to the App Store or Play Market and make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. Just type in WhatsApp here and open it and check the latest version. For example, I have an update button here, so let's update it. Now if that doesn't help, then check in settings whether this app has all the permissions. To do this, go to Accessibility and go through the apps and grant them permissions. Yes, definitely. There you go. Also, check if you have any updates available. You can go to Updates and update to the latest version of your operating system, either Android or iOS. And also you can try reinstalling WhatsApp itself. To do this, type in WhatsApp. Right? Select it, and like this, so I can't select it, drag it and delete. There, delete the app. Now if that doesn't help, you can try resetting the system through settings. Go to General and look for Reset iPhone or Android phone, doesn't matter, and this will delete all data and cache and restore it to factory settings. And that might help too. This was Weller. Bye everyone.